Welcome you to this Roy the Barber. I know you about this trimmer, the VGR trimmer. 8 out of 10. Now let's get to this video. What's up YouTube? This is Roy the Barber. Welcome back to the lab, Life Around Barbering. You already see the thumbnail. It's about these trimmers. Great price. I did record already about my initial review, but I decided not to drop it. I didn't want to jump to conclusions about this trimmer, the VGR trimmer. Very well built. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you watch the video of my initial reaction from me receiving it, getting the package, and everything else. But the reason why I didn't drop that video, because I wanted to hold back a little bit before I really get my evaluation. I wanted to play with it for a while throughout the few days, give me some time to really give me a good opinion, because sometimes I was evaluating it on a high-end professional level in my mind. I believe that's what I was doing. So I caught myself. But I'm still going to play this video for you, and then I'm going to go ahead and come back on the back end to explain my full don't jump to conclusion review. But it was funny. I was hyped about it. I think my expectations was already skewed from the actual clipper. And I have to realize that, hey man, let's hold back, man. Understand the price value of this machine and evaluate it accordingly. All right, so watch my initial review, and then we're gonna come back, and then we're gonna have a more balanced review from this. All right, YouTube, what's up? This is Roy the Barber, and welcome back to my lab, Life Around Barbering. If you haven't subscribe to my channel. I just got my shipment in, and this is how it came, man. I already opened it, but I ordered some clippers. These are actually trimmers that I ordered from AliExpress. It's the same brand, the VGR trimmer. Oh, look at the packaging. This is how it came, man. Just like this, the packaging. This is how the packaging came. Just like this. Just like this. But is the packaging that serious, or is the performance more important? I mean, you get what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? You know, it was very cheap. We talking about 20s. So the packaging, like I said, we over here. Come back. Camera lost me. Right here, yeah. Simple. The VGR trimmer. Right here, yeah. Got all the accessories. USB-C. USB-C, man. These trimmers are USB-C, bro. They even come with little guards. You got little guards, you know what I mean? Got little guards in here. Got a little brush. All this little packaging, man. They got the half guard. What is this? Yeah, they got a half guard and a one guard. And then they have one more guard in here. I'm not gonna open up this here, but they got one more guard in here. Yep. They got half guard, one guard. Yeah. We'll stop it. Quick break. I'm back. Had the client show up. But let's get back to it. I still haven't taken it out the package. So once again, this is the package. Yep. Package. Let's see how this thing looks. I literally we go. Boop. Dope. Let's cut it on. This thing is, wow, 2-speed trimmer. Two-speed trimmer. Blade look like it's money. But you know how I do. Straight out the box, I'm going to try them. That's why I ain't shaved my head. Let's see how it do. Let's see how it do. You know, we're going to keep it 100. See how these trimmers do, man. See how these things, boy, 9 RPM, 9,000. Let's see. Let's see how these things feel. Pretty good. Okay. Not bad. I done had better. Now, I do have to constantly go over because these right here, one time, bro. So, I'm gonna say this. The blade is a lot. This blade is better than this blade. The machine is good, like I said. But the VGR blade, it's alright quality. I'm not going to say it's bad, but best believe I'm going to see what blade can go on here. I'm going to buy me a JRL blade and put on here. But the machine is good. I like the machine. I don't like the blade. I'm going to be straight up. These was about 20-something dollars, like $20, 20 bucks. There's a reason why it came in the package and used it for 20 bucks. Something has to have lack of quality. It has to have some type of lack of quality somewhere in the machine. And so far the machines are good. It's just the blades on these machines. For $20 though, 2-speed trimmers, you can't complain on that. There's no way. There's no way you could complain. There's no way. $20? No, you can't complain on that. Yes. So right now, before I say a must buy, I mean $20. I mean, some people probably say, hey man, I just need to know if they're worth 20. Are they worth 20? Definitely. Are they a must buy? First, I have to put a good blade on here first and see how they really get down. See how they really get down. Then I know. First, I have to see that. Then we'll get there. But that's the review. You too, please like and subscribe for part 2. When I put a brand new blade on here. Today is Sunday, so Busica closed. I'll probably stop by tomorrow and see what's up. But yeah, man, these are nice. Very built quality, man. Yeah, same ones right here. These are a good combo, man. I'll probably travel with these. State to state. USB-C. Good traveling clippers. See? I definitely have to put a new blade on here and see how it works. All right, let's get to the more reasonable review of this trimmer right here. All right, this trimmer right here. All right, this trimmer. Okay, let's get to the initial review of this trimmer. It's actually worth the price range. Coming about $20-something with shipping also included. Now, this blade, I thought it was the JRL blade fits on. Actually, the FX blade fits on here, but the problem I was having with these, by me putting it on here, it comes on here, but you can't adjust the blade on here. There's no possible way to open to actually zero gap the blade. This blade do not adjust. So it comes already standard gapped. Standard gap, which means it's you can actually line up with it. More of a kid's lineup. It's not going to be that tack. Don't need a razor sharp, but it is sharp. It cuts through bulk smoothly. Like I said, it's 2 speeds, and I will be using this more for initial lining, neck lining, beard lining, because it does not irritate the skin at all. At all. Literally, I could put it on my neck, anywhere on my neck. It cleans it very nicely, very smoothly, without hurting, without any irritation at all. I was trying to put the blade on here, but the problem with this, when I put it on here, the teeth actually got longer away from the cutting blade. And you can't adjust this machine. This machine comes standard. This is a standard machine. No adjusting possible. You can't adjust these. But those are pretty close. Those are safe gapped, which is good. Because I did line on my beard with it. It was comfortable. So is it a buy? Yes. If you're looking for a trimmer that is good enough to shape up, and then you could come back and clean up with a razor or some type of kids lineup machine around their neck. You know how they be moving. So these actually will help you out against kids that be moving a lot on the fold. They don't pinch at all, man. They don't pinch on the neck at all. When you're trying to do neck cleanup, real quick, if you come with a razor or shaver, these are perfect for that. If you're just trying to at least you get the bulk off, then come with a shaver. These are perfect for that. Sometimes you'll need a trimmer to be completely clean, because they more like, they kind of like my octane like level, the 0.5. These more like a 0.5. These aren't a 6. These are a 0.5 cleaning trimmer. You can get close by if you probably go reverse up to get more of the hair off the scalp. If you want to, you know, take the initial, of course you probably got trimmers that can do that anyway. So these are more for other ways to use them for a safer, more non-irritation trimmer. For $20-something, 2 speeds, more for like clipper over comb maybe. You can use it for clipper over comb. There's a lot of things you could do with this trimmer more than just trying to get sharp lines. It's way other methods and strategies and situation where this trimmer is awesome. It's just not awesome for out the box, straight sharp lines with no razor. That's not what this trimmer is for. But if you want to get around the ears, clean up around the ears and neck, perfect. Around kids, initial hairlines like that. But for the sharp lines, it's not the trimmer because you can't adjust it. But it comes pretty safe gap, which is close enough without irritation. Any thoughts and concerns? This is Roy the Barber. I appreciate y'all for liking and subscribing to the channel. All right. And comment below. Would you buy? Would you cop or not? I don't know, man. Just the 2-speed trimmer, man, got me. Just got me, man. That's a lot of like little soft clip over comb. If I want to do blunt cuts, yeah, this is a good trimmer, man. Good trimmer. It's not the sharpest, but it's not dull. But comparing these two, you can gap these, you can adjust these, and these are like the JRLs. These are sharp, tat, worth the money. You get your money out of these. But this one definitely got more power. But this one, tack sharp. You can adjust these. You can adjust these how you want to. That's one thing I like about these. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Appreciate the follows. Finally, I checked my my YouTube channel, man. Officially over 1,000, man. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate the support. Appreciate the positive feedback. And I'm gonna keep it rolling, y'all. Y'all have a good day, good night. Hey, man, enjoy the family. Peace out. One love.